Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the major of indices, major of boom and crash. So today I'm giving out this amazing strategy. Okay, I want you guys to equally make profits with this strategy. I've been using this strategy over time now. I've been backtesting, using trading it on the live markets, and I've been making good profits, right? So I've seen the love and everything, so I decided to share this strategy with you guys. Okay, so it's a very simple strategy and it's giving good profit. So I'll quickly open a few positions to show you guys how it works, right? 1, 2, 3 positions I just opened. Let's make it 4 so that we make good profits in a very short while. Yeah, so we opened 4 positions. I just opened 4 positions right there on crash 1000. Okay, so this strategy, you can equally use this strategy to scalp boom and crash and catch spikes on boom and crash. Yeah, you heard me. It's amazing. It's that sweet. So you can catch spikes and you can scalp boom and crash, right? So now I've been using this strategy, like I said, over time, and it has been giving good profits. All right, it has been giving good profits, right? It has over 95% accuracy. Okay, it's been really crazy. Yeah, all you need to do is for you to stay to the end of this video, listen to everything I have to tell you about this strategy, and trust me, you're about to make good profits. I use this strategy when I'm not with my system, when I'm outside, I'm not with my laptop. When I'm outside, I use this strategy to make good profits, to make good money, to scalp and catch spikes on boom and crash, right? And you use the zoom level 1. You can use 1 or 2. This is the first zoom level. This is the second, which I love using, or you can use the third. You can use the third zoom level. This is the third zoom level, right? And you're staying on 1 minute time frame to do this. Okay, use 1 minute time frame to trade this strategy. And your screen, you must keep your screen wherever you keep your screen. It gives you the same thing, because this strategy doesn't lag. Wherever you keep your screen, whether you keep your screen here or here or here, you're still having the same result. Okay, and also I'll also show you guys how to go to a higher time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame, to look for entry, or see how you can hold a position for maybe like an hour, 30 minutes time frame when you move to a higher time frame using this strategy. Okay, and I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys, to advise everybody that's watching this video, to learn how to analyze the markets. Trust me, you need to learn how to make money in this market. If you don't learn how to analyze the market and be the robot or be the indicator yourself, you're not doing it. You're not growing. It's going to take you a very long time, unless you're just coming to this market to just see what is going on, and not just ready to make money here, or not. It's not a long-term stuff for you, business for you. Then you can play around and waste your money, blow your account, and go. But if you want to extract good profits, make good profits from this market, I will advise every one of you to learn. Okay, look for a mentor. You must not learn from me. I'm a good mentor, but you must not learn from me. So it will not look like I'm saying this for you to go and pay me money and learn from me. Look for someone that knows what he's doing. And if you're paying anybody, make sure that you're paying someone that is that's a price action trader. You don't just give money to people that will be adding indicators and show you do this with your indicators and you make money. No, you need to look for a price action trader, a successful price action trader. I'm a price action trader. Okay, I trade the naked charts. Okay, price action helps you stay ahead of time, ahead of the market. Okay, you know where the market is actually going. You know the market direction, the structure that is creating, and all the information it gives you. From there, you know what is happening. Okay, that's how you know how to make money from this market. But if you don't know how to analyze the market yourself, you likely going to make profit today and lose tomorrow, and lose even more. Okay, so look for a mentor. If you want me to mentor you, to teach you, you can still chat me up. Check the description area to chat me directly. Let's make money. Okay, and also our robot is ready. Our robot is ready. A lot of people have been begging and asking for robots since we stopped the first one. So our robot is ready, and it has over 95% accuracy. Win rate is over 95%, and it's crazy. All you need to do is just maybe while you're walking or while you're sleeping, you just click on play. It starts making profits for you. It start counting open trades and close them with good profits. Okay, you wake up to your money, because the best way to make money is to make money while you're sleeping. Your money's generating while you're sleeping. So that's the idea of me building. That's why I built that. That's the main reason I made that robot. Okay, yeah. So like I said, this strategy is crazy. So now we open like 4 positions, and you need to catch like 4 to 5 candlesticks. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 candlesticks. After 5 candlesticks, you don't have to be greedy. You just need to close and go, unless you stay on the higher time frame to know the direction of the market. So let me quickly close this. I don't want this video to be long, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so I just closed those positions, and we made over to $2 each into 4 places. That is about, I made over $9. So yeah, now what you need to do, when you see on the main charts and on the indicator window 1, here on the indicator window 1, the first thing you need to do is wait for these green and red indicators to get to this oversold level, that's for crash, which is the level 10 and 15. Level 10, it should pass level 15 to level 10. It must touch the level 10. Okay, then the second thing you need to look out. The second thing you need to look out will be the blue indicator here. This blue indicator right here. Okay, this blue indicator right here. Okay, once you get this blue indicator right here, at the blue indicator must not touch the level 10, but at least it must touch the level 15. It must touch the level 15. I have my reasons, right? Those are the 2 confirmations now. Then the third confirmation will be this green indicator must cross the red indicator to the upside, right? Once it crosses to the upside, what you need to do now, the next confirmation will be, look your main chart, and you see this blue indicator here crossing the red to the upside too. So what you need to do now is open the position, just like what we did earlier. If you go back and check the video, okay, right? Once it crosses like that, you're taking just 4 to 5 candles and you're out. You see what happened after like 7 candles. See what happened, the spike came. So we know this stuff, right? So now if you move back, if you go back to this level, you see we're having the same thing. It has been happening over time. It has been happening over time, right? The same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing right there. Okay. So I've backtested and I've used this strategy over time for a very long time, and I cannot just come and give you guys something I've not been using, right? So the same thing here. If you keep checking, we have the same thing right there. Okay, it's that crazy. The strategy is killing, it's giving good profits, right? The same thing on when you're trading when you're trading boom. As it is here, you can see what happened around this level, though I don't really like that one there. Okay, you can see what happened here. You can see what happened here after the crossing. Price started dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping for a very long time. Okay, started dropping for a long time. So you can as well check your 15 minutes time frame to see the market structure or the direction I may call. Okay, if it is a downtrend or if it's an uptrend. Okay, if price is at key resistance or key support level, I'll show you guys all that maybe in the next video so that you don't make any mistake, right? But if you can just stay on the 5 minutes time, on the 1 minute time frame, you can still do the same thing and make good profits, right? Yeah, what I'm saying when I say you move to 15 minutes time frame or the 30 minutes time frame is because if you want to hold more than just 5 candlesticks you want to catch more than 5 candlesticks, you need to come to 30 minutes time frame to see the market structure, the direction of the markets, and know what you're about to do. Okay, what you're about to do. Yeah, so yeah. Now let me quickly show you guys the settings for this indicator, for this strategy. You click on this F sign, that's icon that looks like F, something like this here. You click there, right there. Okay, you open it. We have 5 indicators here. The first indicator you bring will be on the main chart, main window, which is moving average. The period is 12, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, right? Then there are no levels here. You can see you can use any color at all, and you click on done, right? You click on that icon again, this icon again. You go back and add the second moving average. Okay, you have the period 8, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, right? You click on done. That's for the main charts, main window. Then you click on the icon again. You go down to the first indicator you add again after the 2 indicators, the 2 moving averages. The next indicator will be RSI, Relative Strength Index. You click on it, you add it to your chart, you click on it. The period is 12, apply to close. The levels are, we have 90, we have 10, we have 85, we have 15. Oh, this is not correct. It's like I just changed this. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Sorry, it's correct. So you click on done. Then you can use any color. Okay, sorry, there are no colors here. And you click on done. You go again. You add, the next one will be alligator. You add the alligator. Jaw's period is 13. Teeth period is 6. Lips period is 5. Jaw's shift is 8. Teeth shift is 5. Lips shift is 3. Method is smoothed. Apply to median price, time frame. You can all time frames. You can see jaws, you can see teeth, you can see lips. Okay, you can choose the color. This one is white here. I use white on this jaws so that it doesn't show on the chart. Then the teeth here is just red and the lips is green. You can use any color of your choice and you click on done. It's this green and red indicator you have on the indicator window 1, right? Then you go back again, you add the Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen is 6, Kijun Sen is 6, Senkun Span B is 52. Okay, you click this place and fill it, right? Then you come down, Tenkan Sen, you should use the same color as your background. If you're using black background, you're using black color here. Tenkan Sen here is black, but if you're using white, it should be white. So I'm using white, that's why I used white here. And the Kijun Sen is white as well because I'm using white. I don't want it to be, you want it to show on the charts, right? Chiku Span B is white as well because I don't want it to show. It's only up Kumo that is blue. That's the only thing I need on the chart, on the main chart. Then down Kumo here, same thing, right? White, you click on done. Now you saw what I did for scalping. If you want to scalp whenever price gets to the over bot level for boom, which is here over bot level, and it crosses, you're selling at that point, right? And before I forget, please join for those that doesn't have time, you don't have enough time to sit on your charts. We offer VIP signals, okay? VIP signals. And if you want to learn, our mentorship program comes with lifetime VIP signals, okay? So if you meet us, you get our lifetime VIP. You have access to our lifetime signals. And also our robots, like I said, is working. And accounts management, if you don't have enough time to trade, you have some money on your accounts and your trading accounts, like from $200 up, you can meet us. Let's talk business, and we make good profits every day. We keep adding good profits to the account, and we withdraw and make good profits, right? So because the idea here is just to make money, right? So yeah, we make money, and that's awesome. Okay, so remember, whenever it touches the oversold level, overbought level for B1000, you're selling once it crosses, indicator crosses each other, and the Ichimoku touches the overbought level as well, which is the level 85. You're selling at that point. And the same thing here on the main chart, this blue should cross the rate to the downside for you to sell B boom, for you to sell boom. Then for crash, please don't use this strategy to trade. Don't use this strategy to trade. What is it called? A crash 300 or big 300. It doesn't work. Let me show you why I say it doesn't work. You see, it's hard for you to really get to this point. It's hard for you to really get to this point, and it spikes often. It spikes a lot faster than other assets, boom and crash. Okay, so it's not advisable to use any of the 300 B 300 or crash 300 to trade this strategy. Okay, I don't want to lie to anybody. I don't want to tell you it works perfectly and you go and it crash and you lose money. Okay, yeah, don't want anybody to lose money here, right? So yeah, that's it for the strategy. Yeah, if you have any challenge, if you didn't understand that, just screenshot everything as you're watching, or if you did not understand that, just check the description area to chat me up directly. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks. Another video is dropping really fast. Join the free Telegram channel for free classes that is coming up and all. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.